In a remote village in the desert of Thar, a chieftain named Jaavid Khan ruled with an iron fist. He was wealthy, powerful, and had an abundance of treasures, but lacked even a drop of compassion. Jaavid Khan imposed heavy taxes on the villagers, blocked access to water wells, and imprisoned anyone who opposed him. He was always in search of the old fortress in the desert, rumored to house a treasure that could fulfill any wish. A mysterious guardian was said to protect the fortress, allowing only those with pure hearts to enter. One day, Jaavid Khan, driven by greed, stormed the fortress with his army, attempting to force open the gate. As soon as Jaavid Khan touched the door, a fierce storm arose, covering everything in desert sand. A voice echoed from the fortress's gate, "Only those with a pure heart can claim the treasure." Jaavid Khan laughed and said, "One can get everything with power, not the heart." At that moment, the ground trembled, and a dark light emerged from beneath the fortress. Jaavid Khan felt as if the light was piercing through his very being. He screamed, but it was too late. The treasure he coveted for his greed had now become his punishment. The next morning, the villagers were surprised to find Jaavid Khan's palace empty. Only his crown remained, replaced by a small stone inscribed with, "The fate of tyranny is loneliness and dust." Peace returned to the village, and the people were free. The fortress still stood there, but a gentle breeze always blew at its gate, as if a benevolent guardian now watched over it. Moral lesson: greed and tyranny invariably lead to a bitter end, while truth and virtue are the true powers.